Here, the showroom in Massachusetts is pretty slick. They've got some nice machinery here doing demos for their open house. But we're going to go behind the scenes and talk to George, the Director of Engineering, to find out exactly how they actually build machines right in the exact same room. Let's go check it out. So coming from a beautiful looking showroom, George, we're now on this production line, and there's Robodrills being assembled behind me. Almost looks like the Robodrill factory, but we're not in Japan, are we?
No, we're not in Japan. We're here in Sudbury, Massachusetts at the Methods facility in Sudbury. So right here, this is our Robodrill aisle. This is where we add some custom options and standard options to our machines to meet the customer's needs. So we have standard options that our techs here, like Darian, are doing day in and day out. And we have some custom options that we don't do every single day, but something that customers want, something that they're used to, and we meet that need as well. So it's a mix of both. And also out back, we have some other machines that we do other than Robodrills. And this, like you said, it's kind of like the factory, just away from home in Japan.
And it's interesting that Methods sell a lot of machinery, and you could ship it in from Japan, from Germany, and you could ship it back out again straight to your customers. This seems like a lot of work to go through. Why do you do this?
Yeah, it's a good question. So the manufacturers being so far away, it's tough for them to get the communication, the interaction with the customers that we have the benefit of having here in the U.S. So we're closer with the customer. We build relationships with them. We have shows like this, like we have today, to get to meet them, and it's just easier to work with them directly here in the United States. And there's it's a lot quicker to get an option done here and to support it here in the U.S. as opposed to having to support it overseas. So I think that's one of the benefits that we have here at Methods, of being able to not only put these options on machines that customers want, but to be right around the corner. I mean, whether it's here on the East Coast or on the West Coast, we have offices all around, and we can support these needs after the customer gets on their floor to keep them running.
Absolutely, and to action that feedback you get from a customer, You need a lot of engineering and production capabilities. Let's break down for customers watching this. What services can you provide to these customers, and that's just to show the size of your engineering team?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you definitely need a big team to support as you start going custom, which is what we do here. That's Methods. That's what defines us. You need a big team. You need engineers. You need production techs. You need a service team, an engineering team, and the most important part is that they're all working together. You all got to be working hand in hand, communicating, because these customers need these machines, and when we give them a date, we want to make sure we meet that date with whatever we promise. All the deliverables got to be met, and I think just having a strong team and working together and having events like this to meet customers, I think is key to build partnerships with customers and communicate with them. I think communication is so important. Whether things are going good or whether things are going bad, just want customers to know where we stand. Always open to have them come in the door and see what's going on. No surprises. We want to be transparent with our customers, and I think that's what separates us from the rest.
Absolutely. It's a huge range of services you provide, the custom engineering services. What are they?
Yeah, so definitely custom options is one. So we have our machines that come from Japan with standard options, and those custom options, we'll say yes when our competitors will say no. And that's one of those things that, again, makes us unique. So whether it's a custom coolant system or a custom rotary table, whether it's new technology, existing technology, the customer has it, they just want it on their brand new machine, we'll make it happen. So we have our production team working with our engineering team to make that happen for the customer and make sure that it works and it's robust and it lasts them a long time. In addition to options, we also have turnkeys. So we'll develop a process for our customer for cutting apart. We can automate it for our customers. I know automation is a big thing these days, trying to improve efficiencies and run overnight, and change the skill sets of the type of people that we have working at our customers' facilities. And I think we do a great job of bringing the talent in here to be able to support that through co-op programs and other things like that, to be able to help the customer out and just keep them running. That spindle's got to keep going. So, we just want to make sure this machine gets on the customer's floor and it's running with whatever they need, options, turnkeys, whatever it may be to get product out the door.
And as well as that, you're also basically an OEM making full automation systems of a huge range for the Robodrill.
Yes.
Why, if you were to sum up kind of why that's important, do you think, for customers?
I think it's important because it's a value-add service to a machine. So when you buy from Methods, you're not only getting a top-of-the-line, high-quality machine that we offer, you're also getting some of the IP that Methods has, some of the knowledge. We're putting that all together into the machine to get you what you really are looking for, exactly what you're looking for. We try to get everything that you're looking for to get satisfied, and we want to meet every deliverable you have. And if we can't, we'll do our best to get close. But again, we try not to say no. We try to say yes, but what can we do to get you to where you want to be or close to it?